Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hopefully, are you fit and fine? Alhamdulillah, I'm doing fantastic. So this is Israel in front of you. I have came in this garden. Okay, so now I am shooting video. I would like to say about English. Okay, so you want to learn English step by step. You can follow this YouTube channel because you get lots of English video. Uh, English video is help for you. Okay, so you can watch this type of video every day. You get many opportunity, and yes, it's helpful for you. Okay,